Looking for the perfect headphones? Meet the Sony WH-1000XM5, your ultimate audio adventure buddy. Whether you're tuning into your favorite music, taking calls, or just escaping the noise of the world, these headphones are built to deliver an unmatched experience. With dual processors and 8 advanced microphones, the WH-1000XM5 offers industry-leading noise cancellation. From noisy commutes to bustling cafes, distractions disappear, leaving you with pure, uninterrupted sound. Need to stay connected? The WH-1000XM5 is your go-to for calls. With 4 beamforming microphones and noise reduction, your voice comes through loud and clear, no matter where you are. Say goodbye to shouting and repeating yourself. These headphones make every conversation seamless. Let's talk power. The WH-1000XM5 gives you up to 30 hours of battery life on single charge. Got a last-minute meeting or a quick workout? Plug in for just 3 minutes, and you'll get an impressive 3 hours of playback. That's speed and convenience when you need it most. Comfort is king, and the WH-1000XM5 delivers. The soft, fit leather cushions, your ears like gentle hug. Whether you're on a long flight, pulling an all-nighter, or just unwinding, these headphones are designed for all-day wear. The WH-1000XM5 isn't just for music lovers. It's perfect for travelers, commuters, and even those looking for peace and quiet. Wherever life takes you, these headphones adapt to your environment, bringing clarity and comfort. And the sound? It's a masterpiece. Whether you love the rich detail of a symphony or the deep bass of your favorite beats, the WH-1000XM5 delivers immersive, high-resolution audio. Every note, every word, perfectly balanced for an unforgettable listening experience. The Sony WH-1000XM5, where comfort, style, and sound quality unite. Whether you're an audiophile, a traveler, or just someone who loves great sound, these headphones are made for you.